Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder Training. Okay, so sino nga ba si Kaiser or Kaiser International Health Group? Who we are? We are your first name in healthcare. So, Kaiser International Health Group is a health maintenance organization that provides quality healthcare to a wide range of clients, and it was founded on June 8, 2004, and was later certified by the Department of Health and Insurance Commission to operate on July 26, 2004, spearheaded by its president and medical director, Dr. Leah Uy Yolo. So she helped propose a Kaiser International Health Group to be one of the country's leading and trusted HMO provider with her years of expertise not only in HMO operations but also in the medical industry. So we value on one of the greatest Filipino character, the close-knit family ties. This has moved our company to create accessible and reliable healthcare products designed to each and for the family Filipinos. Guided by the brand Your First Name in Healthcare, Kaiser International Health Group maintains its status and being one of the leading HMO that delivers an optimum health coverage and compassionate medical service. So that is Kaiser International Health Group. So Kaiser International Health Group has its network with over 2,000 hospitals and clinics around the Philippines and around 12,000 doctors. And we have already 9 Kaiser Medical Center around the Philippines. And of course, we have a 24/7 call center customer care and liaison officer na ready to assist us. Okay. So, Kaiser International Health Group is, of course, one of the network ng mga HMOs, so healthcare maintenance organizations in the Philippines, along with these other HMOs. So, ang Kaiser, they cater a short term, which cater individual, family, mini group, and corporate accounts. And Kaiser Ultimate, Kaiser International also caters an Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder or a long-term plan. So Kaiser International is the only so far is offering an HMO product with premium healthcare builder plan and Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder. So it's a 7-year saving period with 13 years waiting plan. It is designed to provide healthcare beyond an HMO. It allows individuals to save during employment while still being covered by company's health plan. And it addresses the long-term healthcare needs of individuals after employment and retirement years, securing a more comfortable elderly life. So, Kaiser International Health Group, meron tayong mga short-term and healthcare. So, let's look at the difference. Ano ba yung pagkakaiba ng short-term and long-term healthcare? So, sa short-term healthcare, it's a traditional HMO. Ito yung, kung ikaw ay isang empleyado, it is most of the time a benefit of an employee. Kung ikaw naman ay hindi employed, pero you want a healthcare coverage for a certain period, like for a year, ito yung binibili natin personally, and then we renew it yearly. So, short-term healthcare, its renewal is not guaranteed if you have high claims. So, usually, if you're buying your personal short-term healthcare, sa unang beses, you will be granted, and then once marami kang, or in the whole year, palagi mo siyang ginagamit, the next time, pwedeng tataas ang premium mo, but the next time uli na bibili ka ng healthcare or ng short-term healthcare, possible na hindi ka na ma-renew dahil nga sa high claims. Second, it is yearly increase of premium until age 60. So as you age, your premium increases when you buy short-term healthcare. Number 3, generally, no insurance coverage, and some provide insurance but very low coverage. So, most of the time, short-term healthcare focus only sa hospitalization and does not have an insurance coverage. Sometimes, yung iba meron, pero very low lang yung coverage. Number 4, no accumulation of unused health fund. So, whenever you buy a short-term healthcare, kung hindi ka magkakasakit or hindi mo siya magagamit in a year, babay na or thank you na yung binayad mo. And number 5, no return of premiums for non-utilization. Again, like number 4, if hindi mo nagamit or wala kang hindi ka na hospitalized during the period ng halimbawa 1 year, then walang babalik sa'yo. And of course, number 6 covers only up until age 60. If you're buying a short-term healthcare, it can only guarantee that it will cover you up until age 60. And 7, pre-existing illnesses are not covered during the first year and lifetime. Permanent exclusion may be issued on the second year onwards. So, may mga ang pre-existing hindi siya covered during the first year. And it's not flexible, non-transferable benefit design. 9, reinstatement is limited only within 30 days of lapse policy. And number 10, it is a continuous yearly payment term. So, forever kang, as long as you need the healthcare, forever mo siyang babayaran. While with the long-term healthcare health savings account, renewal is guaranteed. Ayan. Fixed premiums for only 7 years. And it has a 4-way insurance coverage ng long-term healthcare plan. So, kabilang dito yung term life, accident, death, and dismemberment, waiver of installment due to death, and waiver of installment due to permanent disability. Number 4, all unused health fund accumulates with interest. And number 5, with return of premiums up to 85% of contract price for non-utilization during the paying period. So, in case in the 7 years ay wala kang na-use na utilization, then 85% ng binayad mo ay ibabalik sa'yo as a long-term care healthcare bonus on the maturity period. Number 6, it covers beyond age 60 with long-term care yields. So, once you have a long-term health care, kaya kanyang i-cover beyond age 60. Pre-existing is not covered during accumulation period. No exclusion after the 7th year of coverage. So, if you have pre-existing illnesses, hindi mo na siya covered during the first 7 years or while tayo ay nagbabayad pa. On the number 8, it is very flexible, transferable, upgradable, and may be related benefit design. So, transferable siya upon the death of the member. Number 9, reinstatement within 2 years of lapse policy. And number 10, you only need to pay 7 years or spot cash payment option. So, 7 taon ka lang mag-save. So, this is the look of your Kaiser International Health Group account. So, once you have a Kaiser account, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong online portal. So, what is a Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder and what are the benefits? So, ito yung example ng Kaiser Ultimate Long-Term Healthcare Builder. Ayan, so it's a sample of a K100 plan which has an annual premium of 58,821. So, semi-annual is 31,764, quarterly 17,508, and a monthly of 5,882. And pag spot cash, mas may discount siya. So again, when you pay in annual, meron ka ring discount which is 2 months. So kung magbabayad ka na 7 years, bali 14 months yung madi-discount mo kapag ikaw ay nagbabayad ng annual premium. And it has a long-term care benefit of 100,000 at the end of 13 years after full payment. So tanda natin that your fund starts to accumulate on the 8th year. And this is a yearly health benefit with 10% of long-term care benefit for 13 years from the 8th year to the 20th year. So, ang start po ng ating pag-grow ng funds, ng ating investment will be on the 8th year. So, it's an example. Let's look at an example of a K100 long-term healthcare plan for a 22 years old. So, it accumulate 10% unused health fund, 10% annual increment on the unused health funds. In this illustration, its actual increment may vary depending on the prevailing market rates, but no case less than 3%. So yung accumulation ng increment niya nakadepende yan sa prevailing market. So 10% but not less than 3%. So it will start on the 8th year to the 20th year amount for healthcare use only. Cash can be availed only after 20 years. So magsisimulang mag-grow po yung account natin on the 8th year, but yung cash can only be availed on the maturity. Again, if there's no utilization for the 7 years, 85% money back or long-term care bonus will be added to the maturity. The long-term care bonus will acquired only if no claim and utilization of annual benefit limit during the 7 years paying period. So again, this is a sample of a K100 benefits information. So let's say age 22, nag-save ng K100 plan for only 7 years. So ito yung on the 8th year, mag-grow ng 10,000 and then mag-accumulate siya. So pag walang nagamit on the 9th year, ayan, papatong uli yung tubo hanggang sa magkaroon na tayo ng yung annual unused health benefit na 269,750. And of course, without utilization, dahil wala namang nagamit to, ayan, 85% money back guarantee is 350,000. Yung yearly health benefit niya, yan, andito po. And of course, yung annual year benefit limit. And a total of 1.166 and 169 pesos yung kanyang matatanggap by the age of 42. Okay, kung sample ng age 22. And projected healthcare fund after age 38 is 6 million and projected healthcare fund at age 43 is 10 million. Okay. So accumulation period, 1st to 7th year. Here are the immediate benefits. Number 1 po dyan ay yung annual physical exam. Libre po yan. The basic 5 to be administered. Tandaan po natin only by the accredited clinic. So ito yung basic 5 physical exam, chest x-ray, routine fecalysis, routine urinalysis, complete blood count, ECG for members above 35, and pap smear for female members above 35 years old as required. Meron din tayong dental benefits with unlimited dental checkups, unlimited simple tooth extraction, once a year free dental prophylaxis, re-cementation of jackets, crowns, inlays, onlays, and minor adjustment of dentures. Also, basic health benefits is covered yan yung accredited physician fee, specialist fee, surgeon's fee, anesthesiologist fee, operating room, and hospital intensive care. And of course, members' choice of room and board up to 1,000 per day. This is for the K100 plan. So, ang long-term care bonus is a yearly medical limit of 60,000 per year after full payment the first year of the total premium. So, the above provision 1, 2, and 3 can be availed of after full payment of first year of total premium. Yan. Yung mga basic health benefits, mako-cover lang yan after mabayaran yung 1-year premium ng plan. Of course, the insurance coverage, term life insurance coverage, if the member dies before attaining the age 75 years and prior to this entitlement of the long care benefit value as indicated in the schedule of benefits, his beneficiary shall be entitled to an amount equal to the sum of long-term care benefit value, long-term care health care experience incentive, and hospital benefit limit upon approval of claim by the insurance policy. So, with regards naman po sa accident, death, and dismemberment, should the member suffer directly and independently of all other causes any bodily injured affected solely through external, violent, and accidental means occurring prior to the member's 75th birthday, prior to the entitlement of long-term care benefit which is result to any specified losses within 180 days after the accident causing the injury, the insurance company will pay the following. Yan. So, ito yung loss of both hands, loss of both feet, one hand and sight, one eyesight, loss of one foot and one eyesight, and loss of both sight. The family will get, or the member will get the 100% of the insurance. There's also a waiver of membership fees due to death if the member during the accumulation period and before exceeding the age of 75, the proceeds of credit life insurance shall be applied to the balance of this total membership fees upon approval of the claim by the insurance company, making the contract fully paid. So, in case may mangyari sa member and like for example, kung nakapagbayad ng 2 years and may nangyari sa member, the remaining 4 years the remaining 5 years of the plan will be fully paid and be transferred to the beneficiary. And waiver of membership fees due to total and permanent disability. Ito naman ay in case may maging disabled si member, ayan, magiging waive na rin yung mga premium niya. So, however, dapat in the next 6 months habang pinag-aaralan or pina-file natin yung ating claims, the Kaiser policyholder should still pay the premium. But upon approval of claims, ibabalik din ni Kaiser yung nahulog. Okay? And Kaiser also has family assistance service. If a nominated patient must be an immediate family member of the policyholder or the first degree of consanguinity. So policyholder agrees to avail only services of Kaiser accredited doctors and affiliated network of the hospital. So family assistance service is if in case there's a family members that need to be hospitalized and we need assistance or wala tayong pang just in case wala tayong pang deposit, we can call Kaiser for family assistance. But take note again that Kaiser will be just a guarantor and it will only be uh, to the Kaiser accredited doctors and clinic para ma-avail to. And take note that this is not a benefit but a parang reward lang siya. Yan. So please note that this assistance is an accommodation only, not considered a benefit of the plan, and the approval and denial on the ailment solely depends on the Kaiser management evaluation. Okay? So no insurance benefit if you declared yes on the application form sa mga medical questionnaires. If you exceed a 1.3 million coverage from K150 monthly and quarterly mode of payment and above, a full medical exam is needed. So occupation hazard like the special risk exclusion, yan, kailangan din mag-fill up ng special risk exclusion form. This is mostly sa mga like mga men in uniforms and like basta mga risky yung jobs. Yan, you need to fill up on the special risk exclusion form. Of course, medical findings by our insurance provider. Sometimes may mga findings from our insurance provider that also cause no insurance benefit. Same payer and agent about anti-selection and duplicate application. In as much as we would like to provide information on the reason why an applicant is declared NIB, we are not in the position of the matter. Please note that underwriting team has its own internal process which they follow in the evaluation of an application. We respect the decision of the underwriter. So if makaka-receive kayo ng email that you're an NIB, yan, hindi masasagot ng mga agents yung reason because there are processes that underwriting follows when it comes to underwriting our policies. Ayan. A policyholder will be given 30 days from the issuance of the policy to choose from the following options. So number 1, submit a result of latest full medical exam for further evaluation. Secondly, accept the approval of policy under NIB. And third, cancel the application and request for full refund of the membership. Tandaan natin that owning a Kaiser long-term care is a privilege and not a right. So, habang bata pa, malakas at wala pang sakit talagang dapat we prioritize starting our Kaiser long-term healthcare. Let's talk about extended healthcare coverage period. Extended healthcare coverage period starts on the 8th year to the 20th year. Kasi nga, this time, hindi ka na nagbabayad but still, you still have coverage. Okay? So, during this period, all pre-existing condition is deemed covered by Kaiser International Health Group. All congenital conditions shall be deemed covered by Kaiser. Illnesses and injuries or any adverse medical condition present prior to and within the accumulation period from the effective date of the coverage, the member was aware or should reasonably have been aware of signs and symptoms of such illness and injury or medical condition, and the pathogenesis of onset of such illness, injury, or adverse medical condition has started during the contestability period of membership. So during this time, most of these things are already covered. Ayan, yung mga list of mga pre-existing conditions are covered on the extended period. So the following illnesses will be covered during the extended period from the 8th year to the 20th year. Ayan. Let's also know that PhilHealth is integrated with Kaiser. So importante pa rin na may PhilHealth tayo. Once admitted, you will be advised to file for your PhilHealth reimbursement form. The PhilHealth reimbursement due shall be deducted from the total hospital bill, and Kaiser members without PhilHealth membership shall shoulder and pay the corresponding portion of PhilHealth. So, HMOs and PhilHealth works hand in hand. So, importante na meron pa rin tayong PhilHealth. Let's talk about grace period. If the payment is made after the grace period, the contract shall be considered lapse. However, the owner shall be given a grace period of 30 days or 1 month to pay the due installment. Benefits may be provided to the member only after the due installment is paid. So there's option of reinstatement. Number 1, update member will pay the premiums due of all the missed months plus surcharges of 1.5% interest per month or 18% per annum from the date of each unpaid installment. Another option is redating. Members will only pay the premium for the month, but the maturity period will be moved. So, ang requirements for reinstatement or updating, reinstatement application form should be filled up and reinstatement fee of 300 pesos. So, it can be done only within 2 years of first unpaid due date. The member shall be considered a new applicant subject to pre-existing condition and for purpose of contestability of insurance coverage and to any other requirements for new applicant for membership in effect at that time. Kaiser will cancel the contract without the need of notice to the owner if he fails to pay within 2 years or reinstate the plan within 2 years, thus the plan will be terminated. All reinstatement plans shall be subjected to the new price. Let's talk about the healthcare value. The owner may surrender the contract for its cash value in the schedule of benefits provided the plan is active for at least a year and not lapse at the time of surrender. Is it transferable or it can be assigned? Yes. The benefits under the Kaiser Ultimate Healthcare Builder Plan may be transferred or assigned by the member provided that during his or her lifetime, the member appoints in writing the principal beneficiary who shall receive all remaining outstanding benefits under the said plan on the event of his or her death. However, Kaiser Ultimate Healthcare Builder Plan itself cannot be sold, assigned, or transferred to any third party, nor payment of membership fee be assumed by a third party. So, the benefit that can be received by the principal beneficiary, yung healthcare benefit value, long-term care benefit value. So, long-term health care experience incentive, additional healthcare hospital benefit limit, provided investment earnings of the company is higher than 6% per annum. The above benefits can be utilized by the principal beneficiary of his or her own health or medical benefits. So, what if you die too soon? Who will take care of your family? The solution is life insurance. And what if you live too long? Who will take care of you? The solution is investment and long-term healthcare, money working for you. Here are the 3 things, of course, that you need for your financial needs. Number 1, investment, income protection or life insurance, and healthcare. So, all of these 3 ay nasa Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. Your 3-in-1 product. Eligibility, if you're 10 to 40 years old, it's a K45 plan. 41 to 50 starts at K60. And 51 to 60 years old starts at K75. So, for filling up your application form, you may ask the person who invited you to help you fill out with the application form. Again, Kaiser International Health Group is your first name in healthcare. Thank you so much for listening. I'm your financial coach, Faith L. Puno. God bless.